Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download Nvidia app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your PC. In address bar, type nvidia.com and press enter. Once the Nvidia website loads, look at the menu at the top of the page and tap on it. Once the page is open, tap on download now. Once the drivers or download page, the Nvidia app is the newer version that combines features from GeForce Experience and the old control panel. So this is what you want. Click on download Nvidia or download now. As soon as you click download, your PC will start downloading a small set of file. You will usually see it appear at the bottom or at the top. Next, click on the file you just downloaded. A window will pop up asking for permission to make changes to your computer. Click yes. The installer will open. Just follow the on-screen instruction. Click agree and install and wait for the installation to finish. This usually takes less than a minute. Once it's done, the Nifty app will open automatically. You can log in if you want or skip for now, and that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Nvidia app on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.